In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to make a signature on Outlook. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna click on new email. So let's say you want a signature to appear every time you send an email to someone. So that's quite simple. So all you have to do is click on the signature symbol on the top toolbar and then click on signatures. So once that is done, you're gonna click new and you're gonna give your signature a name. So let's say this is the name, my signature, and I'm gonna click OK. So once that is done, you're gonna go over here and type your signature. So let's say I'm gonna write a name. So this is gonna be my name, and then you're gonna give let's say your address. So I'm gonna give my address. So you can type in anything you want, and then you can give run your phone number if you want. You can even add a website by clicking on this button right there. So you can add a website, for example, let's say itachiuchiha.com. So that can be the website. So as you can see now, these are created. You can even customize the text. For example, select it. You can change the font. So let's say you want this one. So you can change the font. You can even change the text size. You can make it bold, italics, and many other things. So yeah. So then you can even change the color. So let's say I want a green color here, or a red one would look better. So yeah. So that's it. That's my signature. Then I'm gonna go here, choose the one I created on the top right there. So my signature. And then I'm gonna click OK. So now I can close this, and now when I open it, so I'm gonna click new email. As you can see, it automatically appears without having to type. So as you can see, it's selected right there, my signature, and it automatically pops up. Now you can type your email, the address you want to send to, and you can feel free to send the email. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.